25 years is a really a big milestone in an institution's journey. Tata Metallics has had a long history of transformation, of growth, of taking risks and facing challenges and ensuring that it kind of comes out as a champion.
Tata Metallics was a greenfield project successfully implemented under the chairmanship of Rusi Modi. Greenfield projects always have a lot of challenges. The first challenge is the transfer of technology. The second was managing the political environment. The third was acquiring the land. We needed 100 acres of land, and instead of dealing directly with the small farmers, we requested WBIDC to allot that land to Tata Metallics.
I joined this company when the land was also not acquired at Kharagpur.
We started our company in a small little office on the 5th floor where there was no infrastructures.
And we had a partition and not even a single room for 4 of us to sit.
যখন আমি এখানে জয়েন করেছিলাম টাটা মেটালিকে তখন এই এলাকা ছিল জঙ্গলময়।
মেঠো পথ ছিল, কোনো পার্মানেন্ট রাস্তা ছিল না, ওর মধ্যে দিয়ে বাস গেছে।
And I have seen at that point of time there was no division of labor. And I could see officers carrying iron joist on their shoulder because all the employees at that point of time had only one common objective, that we need to start this plant.
However, it has been a great satisfaction for me to launch our product in 1994.
And every day since then has been about achieving goals.
From the time that I took over, it was, I think, among the most wonderful periods of my life, full of purpose, of energy, of a sense of fulfillment, of working together with people, taking a company that was making losses and then working together with people down to the last worker, down to the last contract worker, how we created a vision, a dream, an action plan, and then we went for it. So it was really a period that I look back to with great joy and pride and happiness.
Fulfilling dreams, touching lives, growing bigger and better.
I think I was blessed to have a good team in Tata Metallics, and they imbibed this idea that yes, this company belongs to them, and therefore the type of improvement brought about at the lowest level by lowest level of workers and supervisors and officers was something stupendous, and anyone could feel proud of it.
During that period, we signed an agreement with Kubota for making ductile iron pipe. It was a major investment for Tata Metallics, and also we wanted to change our product from pig iron to ductile iron pipe.
When I joined here, we have only 2 blast furnaces. There was nothing. And today if you see, we have put up many plants. We have put up oxygen plant, we have put up a PCI, we have put up power plants, and above everything DI plant, which is now the very, would say the flag runner of this company.
Buddha, whatever used to say, used to be 3 words: Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. So I said, our mission will be only 3 words. So over a period of iterations taking place, we said that okay, reaching tomorrow first defines us beautifully. Mentally reaching there first, then before anybody else reaches there, which means you are able to capture tomorrow's or future requirement into the company today.
In 2008, during economic slowdown, our entire net worth was eroded. But believe me, none of our employees had any panic.
The first real profits happened in Jan to March 2014, and after that the company never looked back and has proceeded the way any good operating company should. The ductile iron pipe business, which was a new business at that point in time, started doing well and has gradually gained primacy to a point that that business is being looked at as the bigger business in Tata Metallics today.
It was the 4th company in the Tata Group to win the Tata Business Excellence Model Award. Both these mean that it had outstanding, well-trained people, and also it shows that it had a well-established
systems and processes.
I must state that for this, we have been ably supported by all our customers, and rightly so, because as an organization we have stood behind the promises. We have complied to all the requirements of our customers.
I guess you get a lot of satisfaction when your promoter expresses faith in you.
Coming on board, I saw people, there was a lot of warmth and there was a sense of belonging. People were open to new ideas, so we could implement a lot of HR relevant initiatives.
In the year of 2000, I injured with hair and got burn injury. Starting from the head of the department to plant head, everybody visited to my house.
আমরা সবাই এখানে একসাথে কাজ করি, আমাদের মধ্যে কোনো বিভেদ নেই।
Whenever I say TML, the first thing that comes in my mind is a family.
Mainly the feeling which I have is this is our second home.
We have decided and are working on to develop digitization as one of our core competencies in the organization. This has entailed working on 3 clear themes. First, intelligent machines. Second, real-time data analytics. And third is getting business on mobile. Digital's role in conjunction with business is to identify transformational ideas and to make them happen through process and technology. But I don't think this will work unless we also have the right talent and we have a culture of learning and improvement. For me, talent and culture will be crucial to moving up on the digital ladder, on the performance ladder and on the improvement ladder.
Automation and digitization. A lot of interest and a lot of enthusiasm I could find with the youngsters, and they had to convince the slightly elder people that, this is the way of life, we have to move forward. So many initiatives were taken.
Giving that kind of a responsibility and identifying digital as one of those areas wherein the senior management requires a mentoring by the youngsters. So I think this is a very, very progressive approach.
We are fully geared up to put lot of sensors, IoT sensors, which will be integrated, and we will use it for predictive maintenance of many of the areas.
Digital transformation is something a lot of companies are focusing on. But TML is one of the first companies who have introduced this concept of digital champions.
Robotics, we have made significant progress. We have in-house developed a solution to be used in the DIP plant.
Coming projects, we have already ordered 8 robots, and we are also planning to order another 10 numbers.
With that amount of robots, the benefits for the organization are immense, whether it's in terms of quality, safety, or productivity. Safety and sustainability are key themes for Tata Metaliks. We wanted to build a safety culture, and we took help from Tata Steel. We internalized the systems. We ensured that our leadership capability was built. We focused on contractor safety, but most importantly, we have tried to build a mindset and change the culture in the organization.
We have set a very tall target for next 5 years. We want to increase our DIP volume to 5 lakhs by 2023 and 1 million by 2026.
Having grown consistently and profitably over the last 5 years, it was time for Tata Metaliks to think of its long-term growth strategy. We are one of the more competitive ductile iron pipe players in the country, and we are improving significantly on our upstream side as well, particularly on the structural cost part. And I think we are very well positioned to take advantage of this huge opportunity that is coming up. And I think that would also take us to becoming the number 1 DIP player in the country.
We still have miles to go and milestones to achieve to create societal value.
আমার মনে হয় আমাদের কোম্পানি যে সিএসআর অ্যাক্টিভিটি করে এই কোম্পানি বোধহয় ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলের মধ্যে সেরা।
প্রত্যন্ত গ্রামে যেখানে জল নেই, জল খাওয়ার জায়গা নেই, সেখানে ঘরে ঘরে জল পৌঁছে দেওয়া হয়েছে।
And these are the values I hope I will imbibe in me.
We all know that this planet and this country is starving of water, and therefore what we decided is to create water conservation and harvesting structures in and around our plant to serve 100% of the population in 25 villages in our 25th year of operations with safe piped water. And in the process, we are wanting to make TML water positive by the year 2024. So sustainability is that core theme for us, which helps us in giving back both to society as well as to Mother Earth.
টাটা মেটালিক্সকে আমাদের অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
I would like to thank them very much for the journey I've had.
এটাতে আমি প্রাউড ফিল করি যে আমি টাটার মতো গ্রুপে আছি।
I want to grow with Tata Metallics.
কোম্পানি 25 ইয়ার্সের জন্য সবাইকেই আমার ধন্যবাদ জানাবো।
I am a proud TMLite.
আমি টাটা মেটালিক্সের কর্মী হিসেবে গর্ব অনুভব করি।
I am really very proud to be part of Tata Metallics.
I am proud to be a TMLian.
Thank you TML. We love you TML.
Congrats TML.
One TML.